How to fix Instagram when it's not working on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram when it's not working on Android or iOS phone. First go to settings, scroll all the way down until you find here apps, then click apps again. Type here Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and after that, if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now just clean some space, make sure you have enough space, and then try to install it again and try to open it. And I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.